Hey, how are you doing? Today we are going to see the important tips of Zoom. First, we we wanna see how to mute all of them at once. For example, if you have 20 people and if someone has a dog barking in the background or any traffic sounds or something and you want to mute all of them at the same time, you just have to click Alt M. For example, like here you go, Alt M. So if you click Alt M, everyone will be muted all at once. So you don't have to like go on each person and mute them all. If you click Alt M again, you will unmute all of them at the same time. That's tip number one. And the tip number two is when you share your screen, for example, let me show you how, when you share your screen, you know, this floating button, it's always at the top. So in case, I mean, only you can see this button, not others. But if it's hindering your functionality, or like you don't want to see this floating buttons, floating menu bar anymore, just have to click more and hide floating meeting controls. So it will be hidden. In case you want to get it back, just press escape. And if you often when you join your meeting, you may be wondering like your video would be turned on by default. In case you want to turn off your video when you join, click this button, turn off my video when joining meeting, so it won't be turned on when you join the meeting. Also, there is a awesome feature which is called background. You could select any background and your video background. I mean, if you have a not so nice background and you have to turn on your video, you can easily hide the background, just the background with this feature. Also, you don't need to use any green mat to use this feature. And if you want to select a new share, so let me see if you want to, for example, like while you are sharing this entire screen, you want to select a particular maybe word file or something, so you can click new share and maybe like let me select the whiteboard. So I'm actually I could have a new share in here. All right. And in case you want for example, like you wanna while you are sharing your screen, you wanna know I mean you wanna pull up a password or something and you don't want others to see what you are pulling up in the background, just click pause share. So your share would be paused. You can do whatever you want. If you can pull up something and see the credit card details or something, so they would be seeing only this window while you can open any other thing in the background and check. And in case you I mean, the shortcut key for the pause share is alt p. P as in Pennsylvania, alt p. So to resume the share again, click alt t as shown in here. And there is one more feature that's often overlooked is this whiteboard. You can click this whiteboard and draw something or type something or erase something or spotlight. You could spotlight, see y- your you know your cursor became different now, and you could even clear all the drawings or whatever, like it's often overlooked, this feature. But one thing that Zoom l- lack is, you can't share your meeting with others that simply. In other words, you can record your screen, you can record your meeting, but like it will be stored only in your local drive. But if in case you wanna record you record your meeting and share it with others with just a simple shareable link, because only if it can, only if it's stored on a cloud drive, it can be shared with others with just a simple click, like YouTube. you know so for that, I would suggest you to use peppercloud.com. So there you could still record your entire meeting and share it with just a click, because it will be stored on their machine, on their server. And it's completely free, so you can make use of them. you know all right. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.